Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into all the exciting upgrades, leaks, and game-changing improvements coming to the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Whether you're a passionate content creator, vlogger, on the move, or just someone who loves capturing high-quality footage in a compact form, this camera might just be the dream device you've been waiting for. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has earned its place as one of the most powerful pocket-sized gimbal cameras on the market, known for its ultra-smooth footage, portability, and ease of use. But with fierce competition and a fast-evolving creator economy, DJI seems poised to take things several steps further with the Pocket 4. Let's break down everything we know so far, from the rumored features and hardware changes to the expected release date, potential price drop, and how it stacks up as the best handheld camera for vloggers in 2025. Compact camera, big ambitions. What's new with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? If you loved the Osmo Pocket 3, you'll be thrilled with what the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be. According to recent leaks, DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, they're optimizing what already works and introducing smarter, more creator-focused upgrades. Rotating OLED touchscreen. Bigger and brighter, one of the biggest rumored upgrades is the brand new 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen, a clear step up from its predecessor. The screen is not just larger but rotatable, meaning framing your shots, whether you're filming yourself or something else, becomes far easier and more flexible. With a resolution of 480/800 pixels and peak brightness of 800 nits, visibility under direct sunlight should be a breeze. This is a welcome feature for outdoor vloggers and travel videographers who often shoot in harsh lighting conditions. Slightly bigger body, more comfortable. Grip, we're also hearing the camera may weigh around 190 grams, which is a bit heavier than the Pocket 3, but that's not a bad thing. The added size may allow for better ergonomics, a redesigned textured grip, and more accessible button placement, making the Pocket 4 much more comfortable to use during extended filming sessions. Camera and lens upgrades. Designed for quality creators, at the heart of the Pocket 4, DJI is expected to include a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, which should drastically improve low-light performance and deliver sharper, more cinematic results. If you're someone who films indoors, at night, or during golden hour, these enhancements could be game-changing. The ISO range is also rumored to go from 50/6400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, giving you a wider range of flexibility across lighting environments. No need to carry external lights everywhere, this camera will let you shoot in a variety of conditions effortlessly. 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and HDR, a color grading dream. For those who love post-production and color grading, the Pocket 4 might support 10-bit color recording with D-Log-M and HDR. This means richer color depth, more detail in shadows and highlights, and ultimate creative control. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, creating reels, or filming cinematic sequences, these features put professional-level tools right in your pocket. Super slow motion 4K at 240 FPS. Here's something creators are especially hyped about: 4K video recording at 240 frames per second. That's double the slow motion capability of the previous model. Whether you're shooting sports, creative B-roll, or just fun lifestyle content, this allows for stunningly smooth, dramatic slow motion in ultra-high definition. Faster processor, smarter autofocus, and better tracking. A next-gen processor is expected under the hood, bringing faster image processing, smoother real-time previews, and overall better performance. But it doesn't stop there. Autofocus is reportedly getting a significant upgrade with phase detect AF and eye tracking. This makes a huge difference for solo content creators, ensuring your face stays sharp and focused even as you move around. With ActiveTrack 7.0 possibly included, the camera could also offer smarter subject tracking, perfect for capturing pets, kids, or sports action with ease. Combine that with the 3-axis gimbal stabilization and improved electronic image stabilization, and you've got buttery smooth footage, even on the move. Longer battery life, rapid charging, and heat control. One area DJI seems to be taking seriously is battery performance. Leaks suggest up to 200 minutes of recording time on a single charge. And with fast charging support that can fill up the battery in just 25 minutes, the Pocket 4 is ideal for creators with tight shooting schedules. Even better, enhanced thermal Management is rumored, meaning the device will stay cooler during long recording sessions, helping to prevent overheating, a problem some users faced with earlier models. Still pocketable, still powerful. Despite all these enhancements, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 remains a compact vlogging camera that fits in your pocket. It's light enough for everyday carry, powerful enough for pro results, and user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned filmmakers. For vloggers, travelers, adventurers, or anyone looking to up their video game without hauling around a bulky DSLR or mirrorless setup, the Pocket 4 could be the ultimate tool. Expected price and release date. What should you budget? While DJI hasn't confirmed an official release date, industry insiders are pointing to a Q4 2025 launch. The most exciting part? DJI might offer a price drop compared to the Pocket 3 at launch, possibly to stay competitive in the rapidly growing compact creator camera market. If true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could launch at a price point between $429 to $499, depending on storage options and bundles. That's incredible value for the features packed into this little beast. Final thoughts? Should you be excited? Absolutely. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks set to be one of the most exciting compact camera releases in recent years. Whether you're filming content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just for your personal archive, the upgraded sensor, slow motion capabilities, smarter tracking, and better battery life make this a camera to watch out for.